This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Absolutely stunning home and popular neighborhood. Enjoy the soaring ceilings, hardwood look tile, and warm neutral colors throughout. Great open floor plan with a cook's dream kitchen complete with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The home features both a breakfast area, breakfast bar and a formal dining room. Large master bedroom with relaxing master bath. Enjoy the covered back patio overlooking the nice-sized backyard. A great home awaits. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.